I love to make this easy beetroot rice and serve it in a bowl with grilled chicken and other vegetables. I use wonderful basmati rice in this European-style recipe. The dish is a mild but flavorful rice. This recipe starts with 2 cups of basmati rice that you have to rinse under cold water until the water runs clear. Then let it soak in fresh cold water for at least 20 minutes. While the rice is soaking, start peeling then grating the beet roots. Place an appropriate size pan on the stovetop. Use just enough oil to coat the bottom of the pan, about 2 tablespoons typically. Then transfer the beetroot shreds and add the spices. Mix and cook on medium heat for at least 7 minutes or until fork soft. Drain the rice, then add to the pan. For 2 cups of rice, I like to add 3 cups of water to have a cooked rice that is not too soft. Mix very well and bring to boil. Then simmer partially covered, or with a lid that has a steam vent hole. In my experience, 2 cups of basmati rice are boiled in about 10 minutes. You can also check if the liquid has been absorbed. Leave the rice covered for a few minutes, then transfer to the serving bowl. Then add the secret ingredient, the lemon juice. Add it to the rice while still hot, taste, and adjust the quantity to your liking. I like to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can add parsley leaves for more flavor and for decoration. Enjoy!